Hey smart home enthusiasts, my name's Kyle Wright and I'm your smart home butler. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the indoor chime in your house through the Nest app. You're going to pull up your app. In order to disable this feature, you're going to go up to the top right corner and click the little gear icon on the home page. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says cameras and select the doorbell that you're wanting to disable the chime on. And then you're going to see that the second option down is indoor chime on/off. Just toggle that switch into the off position. Now that this function is disabled, you will not hear the chime on the inside of your house, and you will only get notifications to your phone or any voice assistants that you have. If you're wanting to just disable your chime for a short period of time, say an hour or 2 hours, I'm going to link another video here where you can check out how to do that temporarily. And then if you want to learn about some smart home basics, then go ahead and click on this playlist below, and we hope to see you in the next video.